Hi friends, hope you all are fine and safe. Have you ever wondered why the spellings of the words from the English language mostly differ from their sounds? In this video, let's learn why there exists such a huge difference and how to deal with them the right way and the related terms respectively. First, let's start with the term phonics. What does it mean? Phonics is a simple process of linking sounds to letters. Its complexity comes from how many sound-to-letter combinations are there in each letter. Phonological awareness relates to our sensitivity and understanding of the sound structures of our oral language. It enables us to progress from our awareness of large sound units, words and sentences, to smaller sound units, phonemes and words. It also incorporates the ways in which we communicate through speech, body language, and written form. Phonics is learning the relationship between the individual sounds or phonemes of our language and the way we represent them in writing through letters or graphemes. Phonics is used to describe a method of reading instruction for school children and is sometimes considered a simplified form of phonetics. Now, what is phonetics? It is the study and classification of speech sounds with regard to the physical aspects of their production, that is, nasal tone or from the throat, from the stomach, etc. This deals with the correlations between sound and symbols in an alphabetic writing system. This is the basics for teaching the phonic method of reading the letters or alphabets. It involves the use of special language symbols which explain how certain letters or letter groups, which are also known as diphthongs, are pronounced. In a dictionary, a published word often has a phonetic transcription next to it, which explains how to spell the word correctly. In English dictionaries, phonetic transcriptions are always necessary because the spelling of a word alone does not tell you how to pronounce it. So, to be good at phonics, a child needs to know both the sounds and letters of the English language and then learn the association between the two. If you feel these videos are useful and you like it, please like and share these videos and subscribe to our channel and press the notification symbol and opt for the option all among the 3 options in the notification symbol so that all the videos will be notified as soon as uploaded in the channel. Thank you. Now, let's get back to the video. Our aim behind this Phonics and Phonetics video series is to support children in learning how to read and spell the words from the English language using phonics in the right way. It is important that children understand that letters have names just like they do, and just like them make different sounds. It's essential because the letter name is the unique characteristic of each letter and sometimes can make more than one sound. Children should already have been taught the names, not sounds, of the letters of the alphabet, such as A, B, C, D, and so on. Understanding the letter names is important in the teaching of phonics, as children need to develop an understanding that a letter can make different sounds depending on the location and pairing with other letters. Children are taught to use their phonics knowledge as an encoding tool for spelling, by first identifying the individual sounds in the word, then attaching associated letters for those phonemes, and finally writing the letters and self-checking the spelling using their phonetic reading skills. Once the children have developed their phonemic awareness skills and learned and understood the names and functions of the alphabet letters, that is the graphemes, the children are ready for phonics. I hope now that the concept of phonics is clear to you. I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all soon in an upcoming video with the further basics of phonics and phonetics. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care and stay safe. See you all in the next video.